Good morning, guys. It's your boy coming back with another flawless video here, repping the HAZLETINTS brand, and we off to work. But I just gotta say, guys, I am super proud of us this month of being back on YouTube in 30 days. Honestly, actually, I think it's about to be the 30-day mark. I want to hold it to it, but I think it's gonna be the 30-day mark, if not less. But we hit, I think it was 54,000 views in 1 month of being back and returning to our channel. So I appreciate that, guys. Subscriber count, it didn't go up. They went couple up, couple down, couple up. Honestly, I think they were bots. But let's continue and progress on our day. And we're off to work. It's currently 9 o'clock in the morning. We got some cars to do. Last couple days were a little slower for the business. It happens. It started snowing a little bit. But let's go get you some content today. Let's go get you just some, POV of what we gonna be doing today. So, let's roll, guys.
Introduction for today, Ethan.
Were you messing with the Buick's fucking thing?
Yeah, we were trying to make it better.
Yeah.
The corner keeps blowing off. I didn't do nothing, dude. I changed nothing in that. So you can be as mad as you want. We changed.
Somebody tied a damn knot.
The knot was there. Me and Vincent didn't do that. It was too cold. My fingertips couldn't untie the knot.
Yeah, well, I untied it and pushed it further.
See this guy blaming me when I show up and the knot was there? You know, this guy's the worst guy for help. I say, how do I get this thing open? He goes, don't break the camera. And proceeds to force the fucking thing open like that's the right way.
It's too lazy to Google.
You didn't Google it either. You just forced it open.
No, I figured it out.
YouTube.
I'm a problem solver, easy.
I don't know. Problem solving. Ethan's problem solving is force. It's always been force.
You're just like your kid. He's afraid to mess up. You're afraid to break something.
When this guy's sitting next to me telling me you break it, you buy it, and it's $1,000, of course you're going to be a little nervous to force it.
No.
It's alright. I'm just going to take extra long videos to make his life harder today.
It doesn't make my life harder.
YouTube, there's a jump right here on the left side. Let's see if I'll hit it. Go left and floor. Hit that bitch. Ah, we didn't get nowhere. On the way back, we'll show you the jump, YouTube. And the STI itself had no one else in the car.
Oh, yeah.
Hit that bitch doing like 90 the first time we came this way. That STI flew 50 to 75 feet, cleared the railroad tracks, and we pooped a little bit, but we made it. And then we jumped it intentionally every day. Every single day for the next year.
We just made a pit stop quick over to Vinny's house, but we got the STI in the garage and it's looking crispy, especially with the purple wrap on it. Can't wait to see this thing running and staying next to the Speed 3. I'm still praying that the Speed 3 is faster, but that damn all-wheel drive system. 700 horsepower STI on the way. Just got finished being wrapped. Let's go.
Hills have eyes type of work today. The roads were coming down. Oh, I'm gonna yell at for a shaky camera.
Yeah.
K9 Doggy Dojo. Oh, I know this guy. Well, I know the guy that runs that K9 club. I talked to him when I first got boogie. Look at this, guys. Would you guys feel safe coming back here to Tints and Excavator? Because this guy doesn't.
Well, I love what we do. We kind of just walked into the Bat Cave. This is probably the sickest garage I've ever seen. But lots of echoes, but we're tinting this excavator in the background. I mean, I'm gonna ask him if we can have a tour of the outside of the house, because it's genuinely sick. Hopefully one day we get there. Finishing up an excavator in this garage, and then we get to play with the basketball hoop. I gotta show you guys these. These are the wheels from a Kona N. I ended up painting them black, and they're going on the VELOSTER. They got snow tires already on them, and they're ready to go. We got these bad boys. They're gonna be murdered out. We're going solid black with these.
Whiskey's burning on a lonely night. city sleeps, but my heart won't rest.
1-8800 or head to SiriusXM.com to sign up quickly.
Wherever life takes you, SiriusXM brings the entertainment that moves with you. Enjoy ad-free music across every genre. Live sports, including NFL, MLB.
Alrighty guys, we got the taillights done. It's a little windy and a little cold out here, but let's just go take a look at these bad boys. Ooh, they murdered. They murdered. They looking good. Let's get these lights up. Let me click the button quick here. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. This guy right here makes him come over and ask me where the keys are. Why he pulled it over here.
I didn't tell you the keys retarded.
No.
I just asked him where the keys were. I didn't tell him to come ask you.
Yeah, you had them. Why?
No, I had them. I was confusing him. I was messing with him.
I just got some tips.
You let a kid with fucking 6 fucking IQ points confuse you.
Exactly.
He didn't confuse
He has
me.
6.5 IQ points.
Exactly.
And when I talk to him, I lose 2 of mine every time.
But he has a better memory than yours.
Yeah, how does he have a better memory?
How?
He's stupid.
How? Exactly. How? How?
How?
I remember.
No, he remembers nothing.
Why are you on his side of you being
We
stupid?
have 4 IQ points. We're using them all.
Exactly.
Every fucking one of them is getting used to the max.
I don't understand you. I'm helping you and you're saying to him, oh yeah, I'm stupid and I can't remember.
Yeah.
What do I remember?
Nothing.
How to suck it, bro. How to suck it.
That's you.
He remembers he's gay.
Finally caught him eating.
Huh?
Yeah, what are you eating? What are you eating?
Hey.
He was humping.
No.
There, guys. Serious announcement here. You just seen the clip of him eating that food, right? That was breakfast. We got that probably about 40 minutes ago. And then he goes, I got something to show you. You guys want to see it? Because I can't even believe it. There's 3 people here. There's one person that can't eat fast food and is on a diet, which is me. The other one can eat, but I doubt he can eat that much. And then him, which I'll show you the recap of him being on a diet, which is not going so well. Let me show you this quick though. So it went like this. Read the text messages before we start this video. This was 5 minutes ago. He didn't last that long. I have no words. This is all for him. Let's read this receipt. Let's focus on this. The receipt goes on so long. So 28 here and $36 here. Who orders twice? You ordered from the, so this is 2 DoorDash people that came?
Same person.
I don't even have an answer. I need to just get back to work. We're gonna see what's in this bag. Our guys got this fresh new Integra in here. Let's go, Nardo Gray. And I think I have some gold stitching on the seats. Oof. All right, let's go. Car's all complete. Got that 5% going on in that window strip. All finished and ready to do the next one. Let's go. Day's over. We switched over into Corvette. Let's get that cold start. Well, we're done for today. Got done with our jobs. Going home. Gonna kick at some video games for a little bit. The new Battlefield, I highly recommend it. It's great. And then we're gonna go to the gym about 5:30, and then when we get back, we're gonna edit out this current video that we're doing right now. So stay tuned for the whole video. But let's roll it. Let's go play some Battlefield. I don't play games that often. Today is the day. So let's go. Alrighty guys, this is the end of our video, and I'm super excited how far our channel is growing. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and comment down below, because I do love talking to any of my subscribers. But I just have to say, keep moving forward, keep grinding, keep hustling, and yeah, I'm gonna check you guys in the next video. So let's go, deuces.